Hi Story Hour friends, it's Miss Rita. Thanks for joining us again today for Story Hour. My friends will tell you that I love a rainy day, and so today we're going to read a rainy day book. It's called Move Over, Rover by Karen Beaumont. Rover's in the doghouse chewing on a bone. What a day to romp and play. Too bad he's all alone. Oh my, look at the sky. Thunder, lightning, mighty frightening. Rain is pouring. Oh, how boring. Rover's in the doghouse sleeping through the storm. Cat is looking all around to find a place that's warm. Move over, Rover. Oh, look who's in there with him. Cat's in the doghouse sleeping through the storm. Do you know what this is? Raccoon is looking all around to find a place that's warm. Skit, scat, cat. Move over, Rover. Raccoon's in the doghouse sleeping through the storm. Do you see who's coming now? Over here. Squirrel is looking all around to find a place that's warm. Make room, Raccoon. Skit, scat, cat. Move over, Rover. Squirrel's in the doghouse sleeping through the storm. Blue Jay's looking all around to find a place that's warm. Squeeze in, Squirrel. Make room, Raccoon. Skit, scat, cat. Move over, Rover. Blue Jay's in the doghouse sleeping through the storm. Now look who's coming. Snake. Snake is looking all around to find a place that's warm. Out of the way, Blue Jay. Squeeze in, Squirrel. Make room, Raccoon. Skit, scat, cat. Move over, Rover. Snake's in the doghouse sleeping through the storm. Mouse is looking all around to find a place that's warm. Slide aside, Snake. Out of the way, Blue Jay. Squeeze in, Squirrel. Make room, Raccoon. Skit, scat, cat. Move over, Rover. Tight fit, might split. Sorry, Mouse, full house. Do you think there's a room for a mouse? Oh, he fit in there somewhere. Crowded in the doghouse, all are sleeping well. But then, sniff, sniff, they catch a whiff. What's that awful smell? Skitter, scatter, what's the matter? Scamper, scurry, what's the hurry? Friends, do you know what kind of animal is coming in the doghouse? An animal that might smell kind of bad? Skunk's in the doghouse sleeping through the storm. The rest are racing around to find another place that's warm. Oh my, look at the sky. Storm's over. Where's Rover? Romping? Racing? Jumping? Chasing? No. Rover's in the doghouse chewing on a bone. Soaked and sopping, tail flip-flopping. Happy he's alone. The end. Thanks again for joining us today. We'll see you next time. Mwah.